June, OnePlus launched the Nord CE in Malaysia with a price tag 1,399 ringgit. Here we got the latest smartphone from the company, which is the Nord CE2. First thing first, let us check what's in the box. There is the OnePlus Nord CE2 5G, 65W SuperWatt power adapter, USB cable, phone case, SIM tool, welcome letter, and safety information booklet. Alright, moving on to the phone, the device comes with the grey mirror and Bahama blue color variants. Personally, I will go for the grey mirror because it looks cool to me and I can treat it as a mirror. Of course, it will attract fingerprint stain, but you can use the phone case to get rid of the smudges. The device sports a 6.43-inch HDR10 Plus Fluid AMOLED display with a 90Hz refresh rate, and it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Besides that, it features a MediaTek Dimensity 900 chipset, up to 8GB of RAM, 128GB of internal storage, and run Oxygen OS based on Android 11. Of course, if you think that internal storage is not enough for you, you may slot in a microSD card. Speaking of cameras, it sports a 60MP selfie snapper and a triple rear camera with 64MP main camera, 8MP ultra-wide lens, and 2MP macro lens camera. On top of that, the camera also features AI scene enhancement, AI highlight video, dual view video, HDR, nightscape, portrait, and many more. Speaking of camera, I prefer the previous model because of the sleek and neat design, but I'm still satisfied with it. Other than that, the device has a 4500mAh battery that supports 65W SuperVault charging, dual SIM, mono speaker, 3.5mm auto jack port, in-display fingerprint scanner, and face unlock. As for the pricing, the device comes with a price tag of 1,499 ringgit. So what are you waiting for? Let's go and drop the order after this unboxing video. So are you going to settle down for this device and not other devices? Let us know what you think about this phone in the comments below. Hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Deborah, and peace out. Bye!